Welcome to the new section, and in this section I'm going to talk about, since some of the members is having issues in filling up the course updation statistics form. So in this section I'm going to talk about the LCMS, LMS and SAS issues and how you can able to fill up. This is just pretty much basic information what you need to fill up, just name of the faculty members, university. But before filling up, just make sure that you go to the GEM and log into the LCMS system, and then create all your resources, like put all your resources like sub resource, main resource, and also create a courseware. As you know, if you have any questions, you can just go through all the videos how you can able to create the resources and how you can able to upload the resources, and then how you can able to create the main resource using the my authoring tool, and also how you can able to create the sub resource, all those things. Just for the pretty much basic understanding how you can just fill up the form. So just give your name, first name and last name, and your ID and your email ID, and the current date and time. So whichever the date that you are filling up. So it's pretty much 19, and what are the name of the courses being taught by respective faculty members. So what are the courses that you're teaching in the current semester, like spring semester, spring 2017 semester. Just give the names of the courses that you have been taught in this semester. So if I call EMS data model, and then role of the faculty members, whatever the role that you are undertaking. So course coordinator, course teacher, or the track leader. So just write the course teacher and click on the next button. So once you come to the course teacher section, just see in this section there are only three types of questions that you can see. Like one is updated related course material in LCMS in MySpace module. So if I just log into the MySpace module, and whatever the my resources, you have to go and check in your resources whatever you have uploaded, not in all the resources. So in MySpace, like if I just click on the all resources, it will just show all the resources from all the faculty members that they have uploaded, because this is preparatory year, this is distance learning, and this is computer science. So these are all the things that have been uploaded by different faculty members. But if you just check under MySpace and under my resources, you can see whatever the resources that you have uploaded, and you can see the title, resource type, resource category, and the creator name. So these are all the resources that have been created by you. So just you have to go to the LCMS. If you have uploaded all the related course materials in LCMS in MySpace model, just click yes and submit the URL where all your resources are located in LCMS. All the resources which you have uploaded will be stored. So I have also given the question in MySpace under my resource menu. So the URL will up like this. So if I go to this one, I'll just copy this URL and then I'll just paste it here. So you just have to copy the URL, whatever the resources that you have uploaded, and put in the LCMS, Learning Content Management System, and just paste it here. And the next question is upload the screenshot of the resource from your LCMS in the following URL. So the following URL is script.google.com. So just click on the following link. So once you click on the following link, it will open in a new tab, and you just have to paste the screenshot that you have uploaded, whatever the resource that you have uploaded. So what I will do is I will take the screenshot from all resources. So I will take suppose I have uploaded all these resources. What I will do is I will take a screenshot, Control Shift, whatever the tool that you use for taking the screenshot, you can use any of the tool. Just take the screenshot, and then what I will do is I'll give the name, since I am uploading, and give the address email address and choose the file, whatever the screenshot that you are taking. Just choose the file. Once you choose the file, you can just click on upload. So once whatever you uploaded, it will generate a URL. You just have to copy that URL and then paste the URL in the following section. So whatever, thank you, your file has been uploaded successfully. Once the link has been generated, just copy the URL from HTTPS, and this one can be uploaded by any user, irrespective of Gmail user or Hotmail user or Yahoo user. Any email service you can upload the screenshot. It doesn't matter like you need to have only Google account or something like that. So it doesn't matter. So once I copied this URL and just paste it here. So these are URL that I need. So same thing, every other things like you added sub resource file, you just have to make sure that whatever the sub resources that you have added, so it will be under my courseware. Just PPTs, APTs for documents, and if you have uploaded either assignments and quizzes based on your coursework background, so you need to add those following things also. And added the main resources such as usage of authoring tool. So whatever the authoring tool that you created. So in my space, if you go and authoring tool, you can just see whatever the things that you have uploaded in your section. So once I open the authoring tool, what I need to do is I just have to copy the URL and paste it here. So and then I have to upload the screenshot. So for the screenshot, you just have to go to the same URL, script.google.com. So once you click on the script.google.com, just you have to copy and paste the screenshot. So let's redirect into the site. So once this is the following site, let me open file. These are the main resources. In open, once you click on the open, you can see what are the resources that you have uploaded. See, these are all the resources created by you, and you can see whatever the resources that you have that you have created in the main resource based on the main authoring tool. Just select whatever the things and just copy the screenshot and upload it in the Google Drive by clicking on the following link. So these are the pretty much basically things. So next one is I am asking to updated the syllabus. If you updated, and you should choose it from the LMS. This is from the LMS. So in order to get to the LMS, just click on the LMS link, and then in the LMS, if you have updated the syllabus, just click show the URL and also the upload the screenshot, and also the evaluation planner and also the lesson planner, assign marks. So everything is pretty much basic. You just once you click on the next, and there are some pretty much basic questions that whatever the errors that you faced and how is jump usage, everything is there. So just fill up the following values and just you need to submit. Anyhow, this is what you need to submit the form. This is what is needed. You need to submit. Just study. Before filling up, just see the question and try to answer one by one. And thank you for. If you have any questions, you can just post it in the comment section under the video. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Take care.